I like mine to be having a little drip on it sometimes.
Yeah.
I want a little drip.
If you're gonna eat it with barbecue, yeah.
Yeah, I want mine to be dripping. I want to be able to rinse, when I finish my barbecue, I want to rinse my plate and all the macaroni cheese come off the plate. If it's still stuck, that's that old dry macaroni cheese. I don't like all that dry macaroni.
What do you put on the macaroni?
What they be putting? I don't really. Sometimes they threw breadcrumbs and all that. I don't really care about all that. If it's on there, it's good. That's cool. If it ain't, long as it got that right richness of the cheese. I don't know who the best cheese people. I think it's Velveeta though. Yeah, I think it's Velveeta. I done made somebody hungry. They say.
Smoked Gouda.
Smoked Gouda.
Any kind of
I just heard of Gouda. I forgot where.
Any kind of smoked cheese.
Oh yeah, that's what it was.
Excellent. We may be distracting these people talking about food, and they're trying to drive the course.
They ain't doing.
Maybe it's practice.
Was that a Charger front end with a Magnum back end? Let me look at that one more time. That did look like that, didn't it? Who caused this? It say SRT8 and everything.
Well, it's right here asking, Vic.
What's going on? Yeah, it is, y'all. They did do that. They put a Charger front end. They probably got a Savage title or something. Wrecked it. And one of their friends was like, yeah, dude, we could bring it back. I ain't seen one of them. Let me see what else. Let me catch up on all my comments. Bo is looking for linear. Yeah, I got put on 300A. Your dad had to drive local on the road. My daddy, he drive local, man. He don't even be over the road no more. He don't even be over the road. That's nice. He got the hood on there. You talking Skipper Ham. Sounds like South Walker. Skipper local. RCI 2950. That sound like a supercharger. I'm Australian, but I know CBs. We use them a lot here. Need a 2x8 with the HG. What the hell? Ranger radios are good. Dry rub, yeah. My dad used to have an RCI. Had a bunch of noise makers on it. Moonrakers. I'll take the membrane off and hit it with that rub, yeah. Stop making me hungry. My bad, man. I be thinking about it. 2 tripods. Cracker crumbs, too. Oh, okay. He had an Antron 99, but melted it. Lookout likes Kraft. Everyone else likes bacon, mac and cheese. I'll eat all that. As long as it's good, it's good. I used to smoke when it rained. That thing is clean. Nice. They should have made them like that. I love the wagon grocery getters. Alright, y'all. I'm finally caught up with y'all. Barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. Like, give me a spot. Uh-oh. Oh, this the new starting line?
Shafty, yep.
Oh, they done made it harder. This the competition cars.
Like you're gonna have to bump that hill right there. It's gonna be hard.
Discombobulation, mate.
Yeah.
You
ready? Yep.
Ooh, this gonna be hard. Ooh. Ooh, come on, Blake.
Back up.
Ah! Boy, they done got to a hard turn now.
Alright. Blake, yeah, go straight. Look, you're gonna have to bump it. Well, it's gonna be hard, yeah. Oh. Back up, back up, back up. You can bump it.
I don't know if he can bump it. I don't think he can bump this. Oh.
You got it, you want it?
Right over here. These gates are already dead. Yeah, there you go. Get up there. Back up a little bit. Hold on. Bump it and steer that way into it.
And this ain't fair. I don't think nobody gonna get over that one.
Watch how freaking big this shirt. Right there.
Man.
It's fine.
Yeah. So the next. Huh? Well,
No,
I didn't set it.
No.
But at the same time, there's still the whole strategy of coming in from this direction and coming around, taking the gate, climbing up from that other section and taking that gate. So it's clear that this is going to be something difficult. 5 minutes. Yeah. So the finish is at that third rock pile.
Oh, so they're just doing it backwards.
They're doing this particular course backwards.
Yeah,
That's what
this is
they
the only
decided
one
to
that's
do.
the same. The other two are different.
Okay.
But you can see how difficult it is already trying to just do something in the reverse.
Yeah, that's the
order.
first thing. It's already hard.
Yeah, Blake. Like, you all right, dog? Yeah. You all right? You know how many times I've done that? I've done it twice today.
Let me see what he got.
It's on the
Reverse.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Man, he knocked off one gate, but he up there. You don't need nobody. Ooh. Looking good.
Progress. Reverse.
battery.
Battery.
Acts like it. I don't know.
Looks like they're tired, but
Yeah, I think. Yeah, it was. Damn.
Don't you have to go back to
Yeah, but I'm not in the back.
We got blood before it broke.
Oh, battery.